This is what I'm having for breakfast. Split peas, onions, oregano, garlic, zucchini, potatoes. And we had some olives in there too. And then we had, these are actually raw greens that I picked. And watching some YouTube videos. Leaving the hostel. I'm gonna do some errands and see the city. This is what they call the Blue Church. I'm at a big shopping mall complex in this sporting goods store. So I just want to get a patch kit. This should do it. This is General Milan Rostislav. World War II, possibly. And on the other side is the Danube River. Huge river. Cuts through Central Europe, flows to Budapest, Hungary, and then empties into the Black Sea. Here's the famous Czech runner Emil Zatopek. He won Olympics 5,000 meters, 10,000 meters, and the marathon. Emil Zatopek. This is an 18th century depiction in bronze of Bratislava. We're located right here, right next to the Danube. There is Bratislava Castle and St. Martin Cathedral. Create this bridge and the overpass over the Danube, there once was a Jewish synagogue right at this location. The synagogue was purchased, and in 1969, the synagogue was demolished in order to build the overpass and bridge. These are some of the remnants, stones used in the synagogue. A monument to the Jewish people was created here. This is the main square of the town. We're inside the old city. The old city gate is this right here, and there was a tower. It's under renovation right now. This is the old Jewish synagogue. This commemorates in 1944 the Slovakian uprising against the Nazis. So I just got some tortilla chips and some chocolate.